Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade chicken noodle soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 8 cups of quality chicken broth, and your favorite egg noodles. Don't forget the fresh vegetables like 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 medium onion. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious result. Next, we'll prepare the chicken and broth. Place your chicken in a large pot with the broth and bring it to a gentle boil. Cook until the chicken is thoroughly done, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully remove the chicken, shred it into bite-sized pieces, and set it aside. Now, add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion to the simmering broth. Let them cook until they are tender, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Now it's time to bring everything together for that perfect bowl of soup. Return your shredded chicken to the pot with the tender vegetables and flavorful broth. Add 8 ounces of your preferred egg noodles. Cook the noodles according to package directions, typically 5 to 7 minutes, until they are perfectly al dente. Finally, season your soup generously with salt, pepper, and any fresh herbs you love, like parsley or dill, to enhance the taste. Your homemade chicken noodle soup is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings as needed to achieve your ideal flavor. A little extra salt or a pinch of black pepper can make all the difference. Ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls and serve immediately. It's perfect for a cozy meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.